Hi guys, hope everyone are doing well. So after a long time again coming back to take the new session. So today's session we are going to discuss about the call method and the branch method. So basically we have a method called call and we have a method called branch. So these are the methods that we have in activities. Okay, so in activities we have these two methods. So activities or activity rules. Okay, so the purpose of call and branch is of the same. So what is the purpose of call? Call is nothing but to call someone. Let's say if we have a mobile phone and if you want to speak to your friend or family member or anybody, what you will do? So we are going to call them using a mobile and we are going to speak and communicate with them, or we are going to reach them using call. So similarly in Pega, okay, we have a rule type called activity. So activity rule type consists of a method called call. So the purpose of this call method is to refer or call or execute another activity. Okay, from this activity. Okay, so let's say if I have an activity called activity one. Okay, I have an activity one here. So in this activity, I have some methods. So this is activity one. And in this, I have several methods and I have configured several steps. So each and every step I have configured like property set and some other methods. And here in the like fourth step, so I used call. Okay, so I used call. So why I used call is nothing but I want to refer another activity called activity two. I have another activity called activity two here. So this is activity two. So now I have some logic here in this activity. I have some business logic. I have few steps here that has to be executed as part of this. So now, whatever the code that I have in this activity two, the same thing I want to build it here. So instead of writing this code here or instead of configuring this code here, so we can simply refer this activity into this current activity. So that what happens is, so as soon as the sequence of steps or execution comes here, so this will execute this activity two, and after the completion of this activity two, again the control comes back to activity one. And after this step, again we have few more steps. Let's say we have two more steps. So after coming back to the current activity, that is activity one, so it is going to complete the rest of the steps and it will exit from the activity. So this is the purpose of call. So the main purpose is like to refer some other activity or to reference some other activity into current activity. That means in activity one, we need activity two execution. So if you want to refer that activity two into current activity, then we use this method called call. So that syntax will follow as like call space activity name. Like let's say activity name is activity two. So this is the syntax like call space your activity name you have to refer. So that activity will be referred into the current activity. So now when Pega executes step-by-step execution, so it executes these three steps, and in the fourth step, it is going to go to this activity and it will finish the execution of this, and again it comes back to the activity one, and it will execute the rest of the steps what we have of the call method. So this is called call, where what the execution comes back to the current activity from the child activity. So this is called the parent and this is called child activity. Okay. So in the parent activity execution, it will refer to the child activity. And once the child activity is executed, the control comes back to the parent activity and it will execute the rest of the steps. So this happens in terms of call method. Okay. So hope this is clear. Now coming to the branch. So this is all about the call method. So next we have another method called branch. So similarly, you have two activities here, activity one and activity two. Okay. So you have some steps in activity 1 and activity 2 as well. Okay, so here also some few of the steps. So this is, let's say, test activity 1 and test activity 2. Okay, so we have two activities. Now I want to refer this logic of test activity 2, or I want to implement this logic here. So instead of configuring this logic, what we can do, we can just simply refer this activity. Okay, we cannot write, already we have the code, so we have to reuse it. Instead of reusing, if you have to write, that is a complex process and it's not the good practice. So we use here, let's say we use branch method. Okay, we use branch to refer the test activity 2. That means, so step 1, step 2 executed, and say step 3, it will execute test activity 2. Okay, it will complete all the execution. Now, after the execution of test activity 2, the control doesn't comes back to the test activity 1. That means that the parent activity, the control doesn't comes back to the parent activity. So this control ends in the child activity itself. So this happens in terms of branch. So branch means it will refer the activity the same as it does for the call method. And after the execution of child activity, so the control will not come back to the parent. It will end here itself. And the rest of the steps in the parent activity won't be executed because the control ends in the child activity itself. So when it comes back to the call method, when you use it, what happens is the child activity gets executed, and after the child activity execution, the control comes back to the parent and it will execute the rest of the steps. But in terms of branch, it doesn't happen. So this is the basic difference between the call method to call an activity, and branch method to call an activity. So this is the basic difference that we need to understand. So let's see in the practical scenario how it goes on. Okay. So I'll just clear all this. So let's say I have an activity called post person info logic, and I want to refer. I am using some call method. So first we'll test call space, as I said, activity name. Let's say we have some activity called evaluate BGB result. So just save it. Now actions and run. So before running, I will add one more step here in the below step, because to understand, let's say I will add some property set. Okay, I will add some property set to set some parameter. Let's say I want to set some parameter test. Test value. So this is the value I am giving to this, because to check the control whether it is coming back to the current activity or not. So this is our child activity and this is our parent activity. So the first step, it is commented, it won't execute. So that means it will come to the step 2 directly, and it will execute this method called call. So now in the call method, what we are referring this activity called evaluate BGB result. In this, we are calling some decision table, and so that's a different thing. So we are calling this activity into post person info logic. So using call method. So now, as per our understanding, the control should come back once the activity execution is completed. So just run it. So it is success. Now go to the tracer to understand. So now if you see, this is the tracer. So here you can see that the call method is executed. So call evaluate BGU results, which is the child activity which is executed. And after step 2, again it executes step 3. So step 3 is property set. So that means using call method, the child activity got executed, which is referred, And then after that, the control came back to the parent activity called our post person info logic, and it has set the third step. So that is property set. So that means by this you can understand using call method, the child activity or referred activity will execute, and the control comes back to the current activity and you will execute the rest of the steps. So this is about the call method as we see. And next coming to the branch. So we have branch also the same purpose to call the other activity. So now here again I will just try to use the property set to whether to check whether the step is getting executed or not. So now I will uncomment this and now so branch space this activity. I'm referring this activity, same activity, but using different method. So now again run. So try to trace it. Okay, so already we have a tracer. So just clear this off and now I'm running it. So it is success. Now if you observe, the tracer, so branch it has executed the evaluate BGB result, which is the child activity which we referred. But after this, there is also a step, right? The step 4, which is the property set. But in the tracer, we can't see that step because that step is not executed. So the reason is like the control doesn't come back as we use branch. The control went here and it executed the this particular activity, and the control ends here. And the control doesn't comes back to the parent activity and it will not execute the rest of the steps. So this is what happens using the branch. So based on the scenario or based on your coding standards and as per your requirement, you can just use either call or either branch. So based on the scenario, whatever you are developing. So that is about the call method and the branch method that we use in the activity. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. Thank you.